am once again in state Rajasthan. God knows how many times I am going to come here. And with me today is Kuldeep. Say hi to the world. And today we are at Kevla Dev National Park, formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. By the name, you must have guessed that we are here in search of birds today. So let's explore this place.
Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is UNESCO recognized World Heritage located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. And the name Kevla Dev National Park is formed because of Kevla Dev Shiva temple inside the park. It is a vast land of 29 square kilometers and only traveling by rickshaw or bicycle is allowed.
And by the way, we are not alone. With us, you know this guy, Saurabh, and
Hey,
Gaurav. I guess you must have seen Gaurav in Pushkar video, the man with the broken hand.
now my hand is completely fine.
Fine.
Completely fine.
This park is home of many international and national migratory birds, which come from Afghanistan, China, Siberia and different parts of India. These birds comes to this area during winters and that makes Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary an interesting gateway for birds watcher and wildlife photographers. Major attractions are pelican, sarus crane, black-necked stork, Egyptian eagle and different varieties of ducks. In total, it is a home of 366 species of birds and also 30 species of mammals like spotted deer, jackals, nilgai. This park was once used as duck shooting preserve by Maharaja of Bharatpur. I'm taking you back in time from year 1850 to 1982. Later Government of India banned such activities and made it a green haven for birds and animals. I will suggest you to come here early in morning or evening where you can spot beautiful birds. And the best time is of course from October to March. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in my next trip. Until then, have a wonderful time.